This is the XRP 10-year overview reading for the years of 2020 through 2029. It's currently November 22nd, 2022, approximately 11 p.m. Eastern Time. XRP is currently 38 cents per coin. All right, we have multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance as the main theme. It's crossed with successfully turning resistance into new support. So it looks like we have multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance, and then we eventually turn that resistance into new support. Behavior around the highest high. There's a rally on a multi-year scale standing out that increases with momentum moving forward into the 10 years high. Behavior around the lowest low. The beginning of a rally that'll stand out on a 10-year scale. The beginning of a rally at the low, so a notable rally will commence here and stand out on a multi-year scale. 2020, we have like a jagged upward rally, eventually meeting a resistance level. 2021, we have a breakout on the scale of a multi-year chart. 2022, another move to the upside, reaching for a distant resistance level. Almost irrational move to the upside. 2023, we have three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, confirming a bullish trend. And then 2024, oof, we pushed the upper end of a range even higher there in 2024. Really bullish thus far, guys. 2025 looks like probably a cash out opportunity. Most likely, this is like a new support level at a higher range. Although when we get into the pattern recognition portion, I'll be able to identify that a little bit clearer. 2026, the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support on a multi-year scale. 2027, we have a sideways S formation within a channel, so a decline from a resistance level all the way to a support. From that support, we reverse, go all the way back to that resistance, and then at that resistance, we reverse and go all the way back to that previous support, and it makes like a sideways S within a channel. It's a bearish formation. Then we have a notable fake out, shakeout in 2028. I'm going to throw another card for that to get some direction. There's a notable drop through to and through a support level to meet a secondary support level. We rotate sideways along that support, bouncing up and down for a bit, and then we break down through multiple supports on the scale of a multi-year scale. And then in 2029, we have a notable decline through multiple support levels on the scale of a multi-year chart. I'm advised to trade around and move higher through a resistance level, followed by full retracement of that move shortly thereafter, back down through that same price level. And then for the next 10-year period of 2030 through 2039, there's a period of decline that ends with a fast sudden move higher. And that's a 10-year period. We're going to get into the pattern recognition portion right here, just in 1 second.
Okay, so looking at the pattern recognition markup, we have a high and a low correlation within close time proximity to each other. And it looks like we may have like two separate lows, it looks like here. So 2020, we have this kind of like jagged, slightly upward kind of trend, Prince of Swords. And then we have this big push in 2021. Now, it's a little tricky here. So these two could be combined. The Six of Wands and the Lust card could be combined into one big move. But my sense is that's probably not what happened. What happened here is this 2021, we have this big move. There's a breakout. That's the breakout card, right? So we go from a low to a high, and then back down to a low in 2022. And you can see the low correlation. So we should see a really big move to the upside relatively soon in XRP. Now, if I'm wrong and these two cards are combined, then that would put us in this Virtue card, which is like sideways fluctuations with the three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, confirming a bullish trend. And even so, if I'm wrong and we are in this Virtue card area already, the next card up is a big push, so it pushes the upper end of a range higher. I'd say we probably have a new high on our hands. So super bullish there. And then it looks like This is the upper end, like a new support at a higher level. Matter of fact, yeah, new support. We have multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance, and then we successfully turn that key resistance into new support, and that's a cash out opportunity. And then it looks like we probably revisit that price level after some decline in 2026. We probably revisit that price level, and then it's just some like back and forth behavior in 2027. So overall, pretty bullish over the next several years, guys, into 2025 at least. Guys, if you want to see more XRP, let me know by hitting that like button, commenting in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, make sure when you make that money that you follow that rule of karma. A little bit goes forward, a little bit goes backwards, and make sure you spend all that money out of love. The universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.